Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the helmet and license plate recognition using Python and machine learning used to train the model to identify the helmet, license plate and the rider. So let's run the Python code and it will generate the URL. Then you have to just paste that URL in any browser. So it will open the login page. You just have to enter the admin password. If they enter the incorrect password, then it will show the alert. Okay, after that, just enter with the home page. Okay, as you can select the video, image, and the logout option. So if they click on the logout, then you have to again enter the ID and password. So let's select this image. Okay, a model will load and it will give the output. Okay, you can see like helmet status, number plate, plate number, and the number of passengers. Okay, so it will detect the number plate and it will fetch the number from the license plate. Okay, you can also send the challenge. Let's click on exit button and now select any video file. Just click on the video button and select any video. The model will process and give the output. It is loading. So the whole video will be showing in the images format. You can click on the next image. Okay, just click on next image. So it will show the video in frame by frame. Like the vehicle is moving forward. Like when they click on the next image button. You can also see the helmet status, number plate, plate number, and the number of passenger. Okay, like vehicle is passing, so it will not show any uh, helmet status and everything. Okay, let's click on exit button. Now again select any video. Okay, let's select any of the video. So this project is on a web-based project. Like we are using Django web framework is used to develop the graphical user interface. So first model will load the video and then it will show in the frame by frame images. Like it is extracting the details. It will take bit time to process the video and showing detection as output. Okay, now you can see like this is the whole video which is converted into images. It works on the frame by frame. Like you have to click on the next image, so it will changes in the frame and will also show the details in the right hand side. If you have to send the challan, then if they have to click on the send challan button, so it will send the challan on any mail ID. It will send the complete details like with the rider image and the timing and date. Okay, let's click on next image. No more images. Okay, let's click on exit button and close the software. Okay, let's select any image. I'm selecting this image. The model will load. It will show the output like helmet status, number plate, plate number, and number of passengers. Okay, this is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And I have uploaded many more videos related to Python projects and the programming language. I have uploaded the videos, so you can just go through with them. Okay, do let me know in case of any doubt and issue. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.